Hello, guys. Welcome to another live New York section. It is Friday, November 8th, 2024. And let me plug up my phone so I can charge my phone, and then we'll go ahead and get on. All right, so let's go ahead and check the news here. No major news today, but that's good. We got CPI on Tuesday. Then definitely, well, we'll definitely watch out for that. I'm not trading that. All right, so we're going to be trading NAS100 once again, and we're going to be implementing the G.S.A strategy. So let's get to it. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the overall trend. We can see that price is trending in a bullish motion, creating higher highs or higher lows. Previous structure has been broken from this swing high to this from this swing low to this swing high. So let's go ahead and draw a trend line here. And then let's go ahead and turn on the CC trend indicator. And our trend lines are pointing upward. So that lets us know that we are in confidence with the trend. And then when we turn on the cheat code indicator, we did have a confirmation sell in this area here. The price is nowhere near inside of Bollinger Band, so price is not necessarily ready. So we'll see what price is looking like on the 15-minute here. But let's go ahead and switch to the 15-minute. And so now we're going to look at the current trend. So let me actually, zoom in here. So when we look here, we can see that price has been trended down. I'm sorry. We can look at current, no, when we look at current price was trending down. When we look from this swing low to this, swing high to this swing low, price trended down, and we had previous structure that got broken right around this area. Okay. So we can conclude that price is currently bearish here at this point. Now we're going to confirm it with the CC trend indicator to see if we are correct. So yes, price is pushing, the gray lines are pushing down, so we are overall bearish. Okay, so turn this off here. We're going to erase this trend line. So now we're going to draw up our market structure. So we're going to draw up our trading ranges and our Fibonacci ratios. Okay. Excuse me. So when we look at price, we see that price went from this swing low to this swing high, and we saw a break of structure up to here. So we're going to mark up those areas. And actually, I forgot to mark up our liquidity areas. So we got our buy side liquidity here. So let's mark that up first. Actually, this is sell side liquidity. There we go. Sell side liquidity. Then we'll mark this area up at the buy side liquidity. Okay. So now, we're going to mark up our trading ranges. This is our most recent swing low. We had a break of structure right here. And then we also had, this could be we had a swing up here. So you're going to say that we're in a bearish trading range. I'm going to put that here. Now we're going to take our Fibonacci. We're going to swing it from the most recent high to the most recent, from the most recent high to the most recent low. Okay. So when we look here, from this high here, price rejected between the 78 and the 60 and 68. And then it went all the way down to here, hit the 100, and came back and retested the 50%. So let's go ahead and mark up our P ratio. So this is really our sell side liquidity. I'm gonna move the high down to here. I'm gonna move that down to here. Okay. So this is going to be our 100% here. I'll mark that up to here. Then we're going to mark up a 778 here. And we're going to mark up between the 69 and 50%. Between the 50 to the 38. And then 2300 right here. Okay. So we're going to label this. Probably going to put this at the top. Then we're going to make this 3180. Push this to the top. I'll put this at the bottom. And then this one's going to be the 2360. We're going to move this to the bottom. Okay. So now we know what P ratio points are. So now we're going to take our Fibonacci. We're going to swing it from the 100% all the way down to the 2360. Okay. So now let's arrange the fib. So now that we've drawn this up, the 915 candle is going to be closing in a couple minutes here. So once the 915 candle closes, we're going to look over our fib ratios and kind of figure out what more likely price might do. So I'll be right back. All right, so we have about 20 seconds before the 9:30 candle, 9:15 candle closes. So what we see here is that price rejected the 50% and dropped. So it's a possibility that price might come back and test the 3820 and maybe drop even further, or it might come back up to test the 50%. If it comes back and tests the 50%, it might test the 50% quite a few times before continuing to go down the direction. But if price starts to actually bust past and retest up to here and they hit this area, the trend might be weakening and we might be starting to go bullish. But the fact that price tested this area and pushed on down, it kind of tells a little bit of a story that this might be a good liquidity area that might push price further down to wipe out, to flush out this previous low and hit this set side liquidity. So with that being the case, looking to do a sell position, and looking for this to be my entry TP down here. The price goes all the way down to here. This is about 1100 points. So let me actually get right here. Right. So I just set the alert. I'm sorry, let me set the alert now. Crossing down. The points. right, so we set the alert. So we'll wait until 9:29 closes, which will close in about 11 minutes. Um, the price is probably either going to test this area. Now, if this starts to push up to here, um, then we might want to change our bias. But the price is really rejecting this area that I'm looking for sell down. Now, one more thing we forgot to do is turn on the 2-point indicator. We had a confirmation sell here, so that kind of lets us know that price might be, the bulls might be strong in this situation. So we got both of our indicators on. So then when the 9:29 candle hits, we're going to focus on our wood and look at that. So let me post my woods here. That post in here. Right. So we have about 10 minutes, a little bit over 10 minutes. And then at 9:29, I'll resume this recording. I'll be right back. All right, so the 9:29 is about to close. So if the next candle closes above the 38.20, it's probably going to maybe come up and test the 50%. We'll have to see if price continues to test that area or not. We did get a confirmation buy here, and it's above the HMA, but we need to see what the price is going to be next to this level. And it's going to go down to this sell side liquidity. So we basically just want to watch price action and see what it's going to do. So we have about less than 20 seconds now. All right, 9:30 candles closing. This one just closed above. Let's wait and see. It's like it wants to buy up. But I don't want to mess with it yet. Now it looks like it's going to be touching up the 70 area. It's going to pass the 50% area here. Yeah, I want to see the next candle close above this and push this from the change my bias. But the next candle close down and test this area, and might still be one of the sell to go down to here. So I'm going to hold my horses. Right here with the bag. But they'll be rejecting this 50%, which might be a strong pullback because price did a huge move here that might be wanting to flush half of this and then go down and flush out this low. That's what I'm thinking. But let's wait and see. Price doesn't move in a couple minutes. I'll pause this recording until it does. gonna go away for the next candle. That's what I'm gonna do. Realistically, I could have taken this buy, but we had a confirmation buy, and this next candle followed up with it. But I wasn't too sure about it. It was an overbought situation. And this could be a false move, so even though we cut the money, we could push all the way down and control this area. So now it's starting to hit the 70% area, so we might actually be bullish now. So I have to wait until the next candle to really determine that. If it looks like the trend is weakening and it starts to push up in this area, I'm definitely going to wait for the next candle. Then I might withdraw my Fibonacci and go the other way. Figure out the next move. So I might pause this recording and wait for the next candle, and we'll see where we're at. All right, so the 9:45 candle is about to close. We had a big giant wick here on the 50 to the 60% area. This might be a very huge rejection. We'll see the next candle does. We really get no confirmation set or anything for this guy. Holding it back. Looks like it's rejecting the trade level at the 50% here. But this might be a sign of continuation of the trend, maybe. Might be that. I think it's rejecting between 50 and 60%. So both rates in there as well. This might be a goal. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the buy. We got our risk management in place. So we'll see how we do on this trade. So I initiated the buy because we're above HMA. We had a confirmation buy, so this might be a continuation candle. So we'll see how we do. And let's see what we can do. It gives us the money we need. Come on now. Now let's get it. Now. Come on now. Come on. 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 It's a little bit more. Ah, a little bit more. Let's go. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Let's go. Oh, get close like that, but it's okay. Come on, a little bit more. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This a little too long, but now. Come on. Ice. Come on. Come on. We're close at 50 and I have a chance. Wow. Close at 55. Come on, 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 come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, go. Man, 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 come on, 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 go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, 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 come on. Come on, 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 come on. Yeah, for the 50, you know you want to. For the 50, you know you want to. Let's go. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go. Come on, let's go. I think I closed it. I closed that $50 profit. Cool. So we got my profit, people. So let me go ahead and document my results, and then I'll share them with you. I'll be right back. All right, so I documented my results. I'm going to share them with you in a minute. So as we can see, originally we said that price was overall bearish, and we weren't wrong in a sense, but price ended up turning bullish because it ended up breaking into the 70% area here, right around this area. So we decided to change our bias and to say that price is going bullish. What happened was, in that case, price actually, like a 930 candle, rejected around the 50 to 60% area and pushed up, and that's where we took this trade. And now it looks like it's pushing further up, so it's probably going to hit this buy side liquidity eventually. But that's the reason why when we draw up our key ratios on the Fibonacci, unless it's know when the trend is weakening and when it's going to change. That way we can change our bias and more likely to get into the right trade. And we made about $50 on this trade, which is phenomenal. So I'm about to go ahead and share those results with you now. All right, so as you can see, we're inside a trade locker app and we're on our live account, so this is real money. So when we go to close positions, you can see that we made $50 today. Right? We made $50 in this trade, so we did actually pretty well. So we made $50, but of course the net profit is 49 because we took out 21 cents, but that's fine. So we did pretty good. So that's it for this section, guys. But $84 that I need to make it be in the green. Very awesome. So I'll take that. So that's it for this session, guys. I will do a win recap as well. So stay tuned for that. And that's it for this session. Take care. Bye.